I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down prerequisites. Make sure your Xbox and Rainbow Six are fully updated and that you can sign into your Ubisoft account. Once signed in, check the account region and note your current matchmaking latency to the desired region. Use a wired Ethernet connection for consistent results because Wi-Fi can add jitter that hides real changes. Now that you have a stable baseline and your account access, we're ready to take the first actionable step toward changing which servers you connect to. Next, you change how traffic reaches Ubisoft. First, confirm your NAT is open and forward the recommended ports to the Xbox. This reduces connection blockers. If the console region isn't changeable, set a VPN on your router to tunnel the Xbox through the target country. This alters the public IP and steers matchmaking. Once configured, clear the Xbox cache, fully power down, unplug for 30 seconds, then reboot. Make sure to reconnect through the VPN and verify your public IP matches the intended region before launching the game. Finally, you verify the change and handle problems. Launch Rainbow Six and check match ping and any server identifiers. Matches should reflect the routed region. If latency is too high or you see desync, disable the VPN and try a different exit node or move the VPN to a faster server. Otherwise, revert the router changes. Make sure your Ubisoft account region doesn't conflict. If the game blocks matchmaking, contact Ubisoft support. If everything looks good, you can refine exit nodes for lower ping and consistent play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.